live. My guest today is Nicole Tennison with American Pacific Mortgage, and she has some information for us about the mortgage process, whether that's buying a new home or refinancing your existing home. So welcome, Nicole.
Hi, Jeremy. Thank you for having me today.
Yeah, it's nice to have you here with us, and I have a couple of specific questions I'd like to ask you, but before we get started, can you just kind of give us a brief background about yourself and what it is that you do?
Yes, of course. I've been in the mortgage industry for the last 10 years, and I have a lot of experience working with helping people purchase and refinance their home. I specialize in helping first-time home buyers, educating them on the process, and making sure it's as stress and hassle-free as possible.
Okay, great, thanks. And so I think the first question that I have for you, and I know that a lot of people have this, is, you know, what's really the advantage of using a mortgage broker versus, you know, just calling up your bank and getting a mortgage directly through them?
That's a great question, Jeremy. What separates myself and American Pacific Mortgage from your traditional bank is that we're a mortgage banker, and what that means is not only do we have our own products to offer, but we can also access other relationships we have with wholesale banks. And what that means to the client is, you know, if they have a different scenario that we're not able to handle in-house, the chances are we can probably get that done at one of our brokering their loan out to another wholesale bank. So it's just convenience, added convenience. Also, we're able to close loans very quickly for purchases, and in a competitive market like ours, it's very helpful in securing a property when they're up against 5 or 6 other offers.
Okay, well, that's great information. You know, I think the next question is, if I'm out there and I'm searching around for a mortgage broker, what should I be looking for when I'm on the search for a mortgage broker?
Well, I think one of the most important things is that they are local. They know the market, they know house values, and they're using local appraisers and whatnot, which is very helpful. And also, I think you really want to be working with someone who has a lot of experience. The mortgage process can be complicated. There can be a lot of products. You want to make sure the person you're working with has a lot of experience, knows those products, and can help you guide you through the process and make it a stress-free experience, which is what I do.
Great. Yeah, and one other thing that I would just personally like to add is that when you're out there, you know, looking, you obviously want to look for reviews. And I happen to know that Nicole has excellent online reviews on Yelp and Google and other online review sites. So that's something else to keep in mind. So the last question I have for you, Nicole, is today or, you know, this week or, you know, now a good time to refinance if, let's say, my rate is 5% or higher?
Well, it really depends on your specific scenario, what your loan amount is, but it's certainly worth looking into. You know, if you owe a large amount, or, you know, $300,000, you know, saving half a point in your interest rate could save you hundreds of dollars per month. So it really depends on your specific scenario, but I definitely encourage you to look into it if you're above 5% or higher. Okay.
All right, that's good to know. So how do we get in touch with you if we need to? How do people get in touch with you? What's the best way?
You can call me, you can email me, you can go to my website, whatever is convenient for you. I'm here to help and see what I can do for you. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
And your number is 425-967-8882 or 8862?
It's 8862. That's my direct line, or you can contact me via email, which is Nicole T, NICOLET @aplending.com. You can reach me there anytime. or you can reach me. I have another website. It's NicoleTennison.com. You can apply online there.
Great. And also, I just want to get this information out there as well. Your website that has some more information on it is homeloanseattle.org. That's homeloanseattle.org. And Nicole, it was great talking with you today. And we have some more information we're going to be getting out there in future videos. So I look forward to talking with you soon.
Great. Thanks for your time, Jeremy.
Thank you.
Thank you.